Hi witches and demons. So I think that people need to know the truth. So people ask me a lot, how did you get so many subscribers? Well, today, I will help you gain subscribers really fast. So I used to post trends and MLB, and that got me subscribers really quick. But when I posted anything else, nobody would watch it. So when you make your YT channel, try and have an idea of what you're going to post. Try and stick to 2 types of content. I know this is common news, but trust me, it's worth listening to it. If you're struggling finding what type of content to post, then I can help you. If you don't enjoy making that type of video, then don't make it. Make what you enjoy, not what you enjoy watching. If you post what you don't like making, you might lose motivation and quit. Trust me, I know it nearly happened to me. So when I first started my YT channel, at first I had no online friends. Then eventually, as my channel grew, I interacted with people on YT and became friends with people. Like how I became friends with Atas, and I found one of her videos saying that she thought she was underrated. I agreed with her, and then we became great friends. Also, hearting comments makes your viewers feel appreciated and all warm, and replying to their comments is nice too. If you feel like you're not interacting with your viewers, try to ask them how their day is. Are they feeling alright? Maybe they're feeling down. Try to cheer them up. Any small interactions can make a difference. Even just pinning a comment can make your viewers feel like they're special. Even if you don't like talking to people, that's fine too, but at least heart their comments. Okay, so I'm not saying that you have to do this, but it still works. Try and post daily. I don't know if you know this, but the more frequently you post, the more YT will put your videos on people's recommend. Posting daily will give an impression on your viewers. It kinda tells them that you like to post and you care about them. If you think that no one's watching your videos, send them to a Discord friend. You could also ask for shoutouts from friends. Did you know that disliking videos gets them on people's recommendations more? If you don't want to dislike your videos, that's understandable, but you could always try. Maybe it does work, but maybe it doesn't work. If you do know, then tell me in comments, please. Also, put hashtags in the description of your videos, things that relate to your video. Also, keywords and alternative titles. That way, when people go to YT and search a video, they might find yours easier. Try and post videos with good quality and custom thumbnails. I will make a tutorial on how to make a custom thumbnail that gets viewers' attention. You as a viewer yourself, what do you think of my thumbnail? Tell me what you think in the comments. Since yourself probably watches YT, what videos did you click on and why? If you were just wondering YT and you saw a video, let's say you clicked on it because of the thumbnail, then make a thumbnail similar to that. Maybe not an exact copy, but you can borrow ideas. But maybe you saw in video, you really liked it, so you wanted to make a video similar to it. So you did. Then you're writing your description out, and you are thinking, how to say that I didn't copy, that I just wanted to make a video similar. Then you can put IB by their name. Okay, so I know you should do original content, but doing trends and posting like fandoms like MLB, MLP, TPN, Demon Slayer, etc. can get you views, especially if you post MLB and MHA often. But you don't have to post trends. I mean, that's how I got most my subs, and it does give you a lot of views, but you don't have to. I know that some people think that trends are killing the gacha community, and I respect that opinion, but I don't know if that's true. So yeah, doing trends seems to be how a lot of people blow up, as well as memes and TikTok trends. Okay, so this might be obvious, but yeah. Joining MEP multi-editor project and fake collabs will help people find your videos. If you don't know how to make MEP parts, I can make a tutorial on it if it's needed. Even trying to do twinning for fake collabs. Your twinning may be amazing or not, but I still think you should try. Well, that's it for now. Tell me if you think I missed anything. Then I'll make a part 2.